Hi everyone, welcome back to the road trip. Today we've got something very unique to look at. A 1938 Duesenberg Aero Coupe Restomod, I guess we can call it. This is not a real car, it's a reimagined car. If Duesenberg made an Aero Coupe, I guess we can call this a Restomod, but it is really spectacular, very unique. It's a two-tone burgundy, which I like. Love the side pipes here. Of course, who doesn't like that? Those are faux pipes, they're not functioning. This is actually powered by a Ford straight six 300 cubic inch inline straight six, and it's hooked up to a C6 automatic, I believe. I'll have to look at the board. It looks pretty exotic in there, but it's powered by a straight six Ford. Let me look at this board over here real quick. You can read up on it. It's kind of giving you the backstory of Duesenberg more so than this actual car. But yeah, 300 cubic inch six-cylinder engine, and a C6 automatic. You can pause that and read up on it if you'd like. But this is a reimagined car. I think it's beautiful. Love the design, the bullet headlights. It's got an authentic looking Duesenberg emblem up there and hood ornament. It sits pretty low though. Check out the design here. It comes to a point. The driving lights up front. This one's pretty neat. Yeah, this engine bay looks very nice, very clean. Pretty exotic, but it's kind of a basic straight six Ford. But very nicely detailed. I like the chrome air breather. And again, these pipes are faux. They're channeled into that manifold there, and then it goes down into one pipe underneath the car. But I love the pipes. And these wheels are very big. Three-spoke wires. It's got a red, green, black, and white emblem in the middle with the triple whites. Pretty nice. You can see it kind of ducks underneath that fender there. Those pipes. Love the sweeping lines. Bumps up in the back. The skirts. Gas cap. I don't know what that's from, if that's a Duesenberg cap or not. Again, it's got that emblem over the skirt. A little embellishment over here. Look at the back. What can you say about this? It's got that small split window in the back. It's pretty neat. I like that. I like the trim going down the back. The pipes coming out the one side. Look at these tiny little bumperettes on each corner, built in. Pretty neat. Very unique. Yeah, I guess you could say this is a one-off Restomod. Kind of a reimagined car. I'm going to open the door. We'll take a quick peek inside. Nice materials, though. It's like all leather. They had to build this plastic piece, I guess, or this metal piece, I should say, to create this door panel. Very nice. Modern looking wheel there, banjo wheel. Nice engine turn dash with the gauges. Modern sound system. Modern air. It's an automatic, but they got the shifter on the floor, so it looks like a stick. That's what it looks like out the back. Not much of a back seat, if you want to call it that. But the interior looks very nicely done. The materials look very nice. Definitely no corners cut in here. I like the dash. This, I'm not sure if that's plastic or not, but it looks great. And I really like that engine turn dash. That is nice. Gives it a nice touch with the gauges. Shut the door here. Get another look at the side here. The side's closed up. I like the sweeping lines. These Art Deco sweeping lines really look nice on this car. Very unique, that's for sure. Could be the only guy on the block with this car. You rolled up in this. So tell me what you think. It's a reimagined Duesenberg Aero Coupe. If you like this video, please like it. Leave your comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.